We made it to the stunning Bernese Oberland region of Switzerland, starting here in the small, picturesque town of Thun. We had a little picnic lunch by the river that was super nice. Right here you can see a wooden covered bridge. We were in Lucerne a few days ago and we saw covered bridges there. And it's interesting that Thun also has some covered bridges that you can walk across and enjoy. Now let's walk across it and see what else there is to do in Thun.
I'm guessing the red leads the male.
Yeah.
He's feeding the female.
He said, "Give me that." So first thing I wanted to say is we can't believe how clear and pretty the water is here. It's amazing just to look at the water, honestly. And we were watching the ducks and it was cool. You could even see the ducks coming up from the water because that's how clear the water is. But now we're going up these steps, and these steps lead you up to where the church and the castle is in Thun. So let's go see them. Never knew there were lizards in Switzerland. Learn something new every day. Once you go up the steps, it is beautiful up here. You have beautiful views of the Alps, and then when you get up to this church, even the church has, if you look up, there's beautiful paintings. They're getting a little bit worn down, but still really great remnants of paintings. And when you go into the church, it's surprisingly new and modern. It even smelled new. We weren't expecting that. All the churches we've been in to this point are much older looking inside. And this one has a more modern take. There are so many beautiful photo spots up here. It's unbelievable. Like seriously, it's so beautiful. I could cry. I can just imagine staying out here for like a whole day, just reading a book, listening to the birds, looking at the beautiful blooming flowers that are happening right now in mid-May. It is perfect. Seriously, idyllic setting. Next, we went to the Thun Castle, a castle dating back to 12th century, and that sits above the town of Thun.
Pretty tasty.
This is very interesting. You match the crime with the punishment here, according to the balance of medieval law. And we have this girl who stole 2 pounds of wool, and this is definitely the punishment. She had to do this. Let's check. Yep.
I guess it's
No.
a little.
Not correct.
So it needs to be a little less of a.
Torture chamber. I swear each one of these little cells with these turrets are just filled with something bad and gruesome.
This Thun Castle is crazy. It's well worth the price of admission. You start at the bottom and you slowly work your way up through the different floors and the different turrets. Each floor has so much cool history on it. It's really old ancient artifact. I think one of the oldest wool textiles in Switzerland today. There's a sword that chopped people's heads off for over 400 years. The timber is crazy. It's huge beams. I mean, these had to be huge trees that cut down when they built it. I don't know how they're gonna rebuild this. If the wood starts to deteriorate, maybe with steel beams. But really cool spot.
So I know Matt said a lot while we were up in the Thun Castle, but it is incredible. You have beautiful views from the top, and it's 10 Swiss francs per person, but we had a guest card that allowed us to have a discounted rate at 8 Swiss francs per person. It's very worth it. It's a very cool old castle. It's a perfect example of a castle from the heyday of making castles. A lot of history, cool museum, beautiful sights. You have to hit it if you're in Thun. Wow, he's so shiny. Now that one's making noise. We were watching the surfers surf at the one bridge. It's really cool. You should see that when you're here. But we walked down a little path beside the bridges, just very calm water, very clear water. And we've been watching all the ducks and taking a little breather, and it's been super peaceful and beautiful.
Yeah, I'd say Thun is really walkable. And there's not really, I mean, I'm sure there's stuff outside of the main area, but for the main area and the little pieces around it, you can walk very easily. And it surprised me. It's a very pretty, nice little town.
Surprised me too. It was definitely a good stop. I'm glad we came here. but we have more places to go in the Bernese Oberland region, so tune in for some other beautiful spots in Switzerland.
Like and subscribe for more Switzerland content.